First and foremost, I have to mention this is not medical advice in any way, shape, or form, but in order to talk about this water distiller without going into too much detail, I have to share my reasoning and honest experience. So, with that being said, I bought this water distiller because I wanted to improve the quality of my drinking water after reading about all the chemicals and contaminants that could lurk in tap water. It just made sense to invest in a solution that offered the purest water possible. I also started using the distilled water in my appliances, my coffee maker, iron, face steamer, and humidifier. Setting up the distiller is straightforward. Just fill it with tap water, turn it on, and let it do its job. You'll see the water evaporate and then condense into clean, purified water, and the taste of distilled water is noticeable. It definitely tastes cleaner and fresher. And when I did the particle test, it confirmed that the distiller was removing virtually all impurities. The water measured extremely low in total dissolved solids, much lower than what I used to get from my tap or even bottled water.